Hi there, so you are a traditional artist but you don't know how to draw digital art and you just start recently but you don't know how to manage your layer and how to finish. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to manage your layer and also finish your artwork. So let's begin. Now everyone pay attention. When you start to draw a digital paint, you must need a reference. You can use Pinterest to find reference. As you can see, I'm using this picture to draw today's artwork. Now you can start to draw a sketch. And remember that when you are sketching, you must need a sketch brush based on your style. If you are semi-realistic artist, then use pencil graphite brush, and if you are anime artist, then use hard type brush. And if you're like me, your style is anime but your shading progress is semi-realistic, then you can use both of them. When you're done your sketch, now you can move on background. I recommend you draw background first. You can divide it 3 single layer. First, foreground, second, middle ground, and third, background. Now you can move on your sketch to coloring your character, and yeah, remember that separate all the color in different layer like I did. Then you can start to shading your character. On that time I'm using this method to shade my character. If you are done to shading your character, now you can add highlights, lights, effects, noise, and so many more if you want. And here is my today artwork. It took me 8 hours to draw, and that is my little tips for you everyone. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you with you next week. Bye.